How to fix Facebook profile picture. Hello everyone. In this video we will talk about how to fix this on your Facebook. Just watch this video till the end. So first guys, you have to go and open the settings of your phone, then go directly and open apps option. Here on apps option you have to search now for Facebook. Scroll down and click on storage, and then on storage right now guys, go to the last button in the bottom of the screen, clear data. Click OK, and then you have to back, click on force stop and click OK. And now what you should do guys, go to your set as a default here, make sure that this option is allowed, and after this your problem will be solved. So I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe in our channel. See you in another video.